official coming right from Gulf. Guys, subscribe to my channel, like my video, share and comment. So today I'm just outside. I'm just doing adventures. I'm just walking. It's so hot. The climate is so hot. And see how things are moving here. Very, very hot. But we are good. We are okay. And see the beautiful city of the world. Actually, there's no people here. This is where people stay. I think everything is good. And see how is things going. I'm going to the Mudara. I'm going to buy something. They're closing. Let us take something here. Salam alaikum. So guys, this is the place I come. I went inside, but the security does not allow me to take my video. I just came out. I'm here naturally the beauty. Actually, I noticed there's something here like the village place. I don't know if I can go and see the place. Okay, let us go and see. Let us go and see the adventure. Let us go and see what is here. Finish? Okay. Let us go, let us go, let us go back. So guys, continue subscribing to my videos. Like, share and comment. Let me show something. Let me show the beautiful world. The beautiful city.